Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today's video was part of the April challenge from Kathleen Osmore's Cause Creations Patreon page or group. So the challenge that was set was you have to use the color red, there has to be a stencil involved, there has to be gold or silver leaf, and there has to be texture paste and fabric. So there was a lot going on. So the piece I'm offering today is a mixed media piece. There's going to be some fluid art and there's going to be some collage components. So I hope you enjoy the video. If you're interested in joining the group, I'll make sure to put a link below. It's a really fun group to be a part of. This is a new way that I've been doing my jelly prints that I've really been enjoying, especially when I want to do a lot of them. So what I do is I do all of my background. So what you'll see is I'm just using different metallics here. And the nice thing about that is I don't have to worry quite so much about how much paint I put on the plate or letting the papers dry. I just can move on quickly from one set of papers to the next, just adding different paint variations and whatnot. And the paint that's left actually gives a lot of character to the paper. So yeah, I just moved through this pretty quickly. I'm just showing you a few, but I probably did 50 papers in maybe a half hour or so with this method, and I really like this. This is another set of papers that I did in a variety of red and red with metallics. And here you're going to see the next step. So my next step is, after I have all of these backgrounds done, then I start adding stencils. And I do kind of the same thing. I use similar colors so that I don't have to clean my plate off in between each set of prints, and I don't have to be careful about letting it dry all the way or things like that. I can really just kind of keep moving. This is how I clean my stencils between uses. What you see there is just a metal pan with a lip, and when I'm finished with a stencil, I put it in there, spray it down with a little water, and then once I'm finished with my stencils, I take them all out, wipe them down with a little bit of paper towel, and they're good to go for the next time. And now I start on the actual collage part of it. So I am speeding through this pretty quickly for the video because I spend hours trying to place things and figure out what I like best next to each other. So I really kind of just give you a sense of my vision here, but keep it kind of short and sweet. Here we are with colors. This is Artist Loft Soft Body Black. I have Iridescent Gold from Golden. I have Bordeaux Red from Arteza. This is Burnt Umber from Liquitex. And this is Burnt Umber with just a little bit of white added. And there, so you can see the consistency. This is thinner than I normally do for my street pours, but I wanted this to really move easily.
was something we were fighting about. Can't remember it, can't recall at all. Something about my mind, something wasn't right, something about me. You always win, you always get away. No matter how much pain you cause, I stay. I'm always left behind, lonely in the night. It's so dark, can't see the light. But babe, I got a lonely heart, and I don't wanna be apart. I just wanna be with you. I always wanna be with you, my love. Babe, I got a lonely heart, and I don't wanna be apart. I just wanna be with you, my love. Oh, oh, oh. You, my love. You, my love. You, my love. You, my love. There was something you were screaming about, but I closed my ears, cause I don't wanna hear it anymore. God, it's always something about me. Never something about you, always something about me, only me. What's up with that? What's up with that? Have you ever asked yourself, what's up with that? Oh baby, why won't you take a good look at yourself and stop blaming me? When I just wanna be with you. You, my love. You, my love. You, my love. You, my love. Babe, I got a lonely heart, and I don't wanna be apart. I just wanna be with you. I always wanna be with you, my love. Babe, I got a lonely heart, and I don't wanna be apart. I just wanna be with you, my love. Oh, oh, oh.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, down with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Oh, yeah. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out.
are with the dried results. I am really happy with this. There are a couple of things I think I would have changed. First off, I really needed to get a little bit more paint off here. You can see where that got a little wrinkly. But I do love these colors, and there are some really gorgeous pieces to the pores here. Love that. Overall, composition-wise, I wish I would have added a little bit more black to the collage space, and I think I'm gonna go back and do that. The reason being is it feels a little disjointed to me from the collage to the pore spaces. I wish I would have carried the black negative space over to the collage a little more. But overall, really happy with this piece. I learned a lot, and we'll keep going forward and making little improvements as I go. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you have a beautiful day.